How's it going, everyone? Are you wondering on how you can use or create Genmoji on your iPhone? Well, in today's video, I'll exactly show you how. The first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you are on the iOS 18 update. In my case, I'm using the 26.4 right here. Another requirement is on the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 base model, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max and above. You cannot simply use the Genmoji on the lower iPhone models. From here, it's as simple as heading over to iMessage, click on your keyboard, and then you want to click on the emoji button right here. Simply inside this page, you can then see the Genmoji button or option right beside the search bar, which is going to be exactly right here. So just press on the Genmoji button, enter the emoji that you want to create, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.